Here is Miss Marto, Miss Marto.
Anyway, seriously. Hindi kasi, yun nga, napapunta kami noon, and we came to our attention na, unang-unang 50th anniversary ng diplomatic relations between Prague and Manila. Okay, number two, I wanted this to be more than a rom-com. Kung napansin nyo, those who are perceptive enough will show that it is an allegory of the battle between communism, dictatorship, and democracy. So nakita nyo. And yung sa Eastern Europe, nag-umpisa yan, doon sa Prague Spring, yung sinabi yung sa Dialogue with Pau, ano 1968, nag-rise up yung Czechoslovakia. Pero, sinupress ng USSR, then USSR. So, noong 1989, nagkaroon ng Velvet Revolution sa Bratislava at doon na parang nawala yung Communist Party doon. So, I want it to have a deeper meaning. Lahat po ng pelikula natin, gusto natin magkaroon ng deeper meaning in the best tradition of Paul Salcedo, kung naalala niyo si Paul Salcedo. Kung mapapanood nyo sa YouTube, panoorin nyo, lahat ng pelikula ni Paul Salcedo ay may social message. Yung mga pelikula, yung Moises Padilla, diba? Yung Pangakong Lupa, meron yan. Yung, ano ito, yung tanging mahal na yun. Yung ginayan nung ni Juliana yung plot dun sa Vice Ganda. Yun, may social relevance po lahat, pati kay President Erap, yung diligin mo ng hamog ang uhaw na lupa. Entertaining, pero may social relevance. So, yun po ang mga pelikulang gusto namin. At yung susunod po namin, yung Eva 1, although it's a sexy science fiction horror, may social relevance naman yan regarding the dangers of artificial intelligence. At nandito nga si Direk Paolo Di Bartolo, is an internationally renowned director, at ang aming creative director naman, of course, si Direk Lester will always be in all of my projects. Siya po ang magdidirect, sila rin po ang gawa ng script, siya rin po ang gagawa ng music, cinematography, sila post-production, VFX siya na rin. Sana pagka pinilabas, hindi siya rin manood. Anyway, I'd like to give Direk Paolo a few minutes to introduce himself and say a few words.
Thank you. Okay, I am an Italian filmmaker, and I live here in the Philippines since 2007. And even if I'm still working with foreign production, I start to develop most my project here locally. So this project, Eva 1, is like Tony said before, it's a film about how the AI can overcome the humanity. It's a story with few characters, but very deep in terms of meaning. Because this is probably what happened in the future. We see already AI how it replaces effects artists, scriptwriter. So this is a story about that. I'm very happy to work with and with Copaggio. So